Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Patty. I do fashion and beauty videos every Thursday and every Sunday. Now today's video, we're going to be doing a little unboxing, just a few things that I received during the month of August, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. Now there's mainly some beauty stuff in this little unboxing. Just about one box, it's kind of like some fashion items, but the rest is pretty much all beauty and skincare. So if you want to see this unboxing, just go ahead and keep watching. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's go ahead and start with this box here. This is from Clinique, and this is their Acne Solution Clinical Clearing Kit. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now I have used a ton of Clinique products in the past before, and I must say that they're really good. First, this one here is the cleansing foam. This is step one, and this is to deep clean. Then step two is the clearing gel, and this is to clear and prevent. And then step three is to hydrate, and this is a gel hydrant. Now my skin is usually not so much acne prone. Like I don't think I've ever had really bad acne. Do I have bad breakouts from time to time? Yes, absolutely. But I do like using products that can kind of help prevent any type of acne breakouts. So this three-step kit, it's something I would probably use just to kind of prevent that. And I also like that it has the hydrating moisturizing gel. All right, next up, let's go ahead and open this Foster Grant box. Foster Grant is an amazing sunglass company. They're super affordable. I've worked with them before and their sunglasses are amazing. They have so many great selections. They're priced very well. They're like 30 bucks and under, and I'm talking about they look designer glasses in my opinion, and they're under 30 bucks. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, so there is 4 sunglasses here. They range from black cat eye sunnies to mirrored square sunnies. I absolutely love all these sunglasses. I have to say that my absolute favorite would have to be these black cat eye sunnies. These black cat eye sunnies, they're so classic. This is something I was actually looking for, a big frame pair of glasses, and cat eye, I can never go wrong with that. I love that style of frame. Like I said, Foster Grant has a ton of affordable and great styles. And I mean, these, look at these. They look like designer glasses in my opinion. The frame, the style, the cut, everything just looks like, honestly, I would say these look like some like Tory Burch sunglasses. And for under 30 bucks, you cannot go wrong with these. All right, guys, next up, let's go ahead and open up this package here. And this one is from Dermae. And Dermae has a ton of great skincare products. And let's see what they sent. So this first one here, this is a vitamin C renewing moisturizer. I am always down for a new moisturizer. All right, so this is the vitamin C one. I have a ton of vitamin C products, which is very great for the face. I love the packaging, very sleek, very cute. Dermae always has some great packaging. And then they also sent over a scar gel. So this is pretty cool. This kind of helps improve any scars that you have. If you have fairly new scars, it says to apply 2 to 3 times a day daily for 8 weeks. Any older scars, kind of apply them twice a day for 3 to 6 months. I don't have many scars on my face. I was an addict of like kind of popping my pimples, and that was so annoying, and it used to leave so many marks. I did get rid of them. I would like to try this because I do have a couple of like scars and dark spots on my left side of my face. So thank you, Dermae, for these 2 products. I'm happy to add these to my skincare. All right, guys, just a few more packages left. Next up is this box here from Murad. They're a skincare brand if you don't know them, and they're actually one of my favorite skincare brands. I definitely incorporate them in my skincare routine at night. I absolutely love their products. So let's see what they sent over. All right, so there's 3 products in the box, and this is their new oil and pore control mattifier. Let's see here. This one is the age balancing moisture broad spectrum, and it has SPF 30. This one is the essential C day moisturizer broad spectrum, SPF 30. And this one here is their oil and pore control mattifier. So this is the new product here. So this is a moisturizer and 2 hydrating products. So the product that they're promoting here is the oil and pore control, and it provides a lightweight oil-free hydration to balance the oily skin, which is funny because I used to have super oily skin, and my skin as I've gotten older has kind of changed to a combination, but it still kind of retracts back to the oily. So I do use oil-free products and anything to kind of mattify my face. That's why I love matte makeup. I don't like dewy because I just feel like I'm just like super oily. But I do love using hydrating products and products that are oil-free. All right, guys, we're almost done. Just 2 more packages left. Let's go ahead and open up this big one. This one is from EOS. A lot of people mispronounce that and say EOS, but it's really pronounced EOS. Every month they send over a package of their goodies, and I love their lip balms. I have so many of their lip balms, and I love each and every one of them. If you saw my last unboxing, then you saw the big package that they sent over with their lip balm. I'm telling you guys, their lip balm is a bomb. So let's go ahead and open up what they sent over this month. All right, guys, they went ahead and they sent over their new shaving creams. And honestly, this is like shaving in style. They even sent a little rubber ducky. This is so cute. I'm definitely going to give this to my daughter. This will be her part of her bath toy. I do love this like blanket that they sent over, and it has their logo on it. It's super soft, super plushy, and they also sent over a big razor as well. Now let's go ahead and see their shaving creams that they sent over. And also let's note this cute little bag that they sent over. This is super cute. I'm definitely going to use this with a couple of outfits. I really like this little like wicker bag. All right, so these 3 shaving creams here, this one is Vanilla Bliss, Lavender Jasmine, and this one is Pomegranate Raspberry. It's a 24-hour deep moisturizer with natural shea butter and aloe as well. Dun, da, da, da. All right, guys, this is the last box, and this is from Influencer, and this is from a makeup brand called Sleek Makeup. I've never heard of this brand. This is brand new to me. I love trying out new brands and just learning about new beauty products from different brands that I don't know. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, so in this box, there is 2 items here. Oh, actually 3 items here. Let's go ahead and see. So again, this is from Sleek Makeup. I've never heard of this brand. Any makeup goodies, I'm always so happy to receive. So let's see what we have here. So this is their eyeliner, and this is a 12-hour wear intense color in 1 stroke smudge or smear, and it's waterproof. So now these 2 here, let's go ahead and start with the highlighting palette first. So it says the highlighting palette, it's a versatile face and body Precious Charms highlighting palette. And whoa, you guys, this packaging is a bomb.com. I love, it's literally sleek. And wow, these highlighting colors, I do see here the 3 creamy ones and then the one more of a metallic finish. You guys know I am obsessed with highlighters, so let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So this is what the swatches look like. They're very creamy. One is creamy, one is more glittery. I would definitely say this one is the one I would use the most. This is more my style, as you can see in today's highlighter. As you can see in the highlighter I'm wearing today, it's very similar. I like more of that goldy tone, not so sparkly or bright, but I do love the creamy ones. Definitely want to try that one, especially this white one here. I love the way it looks on my skin. Now let's go ahead and open up the eyeshadow palette. Now again, great packaging, very sleek, very small. Let's go ahead and open this. Wow, these colors look great. This palette is definitely This palette has Patty written all over it for sure. Like these are all the colors I would definitely use all in one palette. There's 12 colors here. I'll go ahead and swatch a few of them for you guys. There's warm shades here, a couple of soft golds, some shimmery browns. Let me go ahead and swatch a few of them for you guys. Guys, comment down below if you heard of this brand, if you've used any of their makeup. Let me know what you think. But so far, I am definitely impressed. And we're finished. That's it, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, if any of these brands are your favorite. Just comment down below and let's chit chat. Honestly, I loved the Sleek makeup. It's a new brand to me. I love those two palettes. The formula, the colors were amazing. I cannot wait to do a eye look with that eyeshadow palette. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you missed last month's unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and leave that link for you right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. There's a new video here every Thursday and every Sunday. And if you want to find me on social media, you can find me on Instagram at Patty's_closet. And that's it, guys. See you guys in my next video.